What's up, everybody? Alright, just in case you were wondering if you could take your motorized bicycle to the car wash, here's your answer. As long as when you're washing it, you keep your high pressure wand away from your electrical parts and directly blasting a bunch of water up right around the intake of your carburetor. The rest of it you can blast away. Keep all the grease, oil, and dirt and grime off your bike and out of your parts. Alright, well now I'm going to fire this bad fella up, take it home, and let it drip dry for a bit. Okay, as you can see, I've made it home from the trusty car wash. Fired right up. You can get a couple of electrical components wet, but you shouldn't blast them with the high pressure. They don't like that. They're water resistant, not waterproof. Alright, well I'm going to let this sit here and run a little bit, put a little heat in the motor and help dry things off in that department, just in case you got any moisture in the magneto area. Just got a gasket and seal it and tight, but you never know, so we'll give it 5 minutes.